Hey everybody, Jonathan here, and I'm going to show you the LG E7 OLED TV, and this is the 65-inch version. Now, unboxing the TV is very easy. Just make sure someone else is holding the TV up for you while you're unboxing everything else from the box. Also, make sure you lay a blanket down when you do lay the TV face down to install either the stand or wall mounting brackets. And one thing that you'll notice is that the speakers are on the bottom of the TV are facing directly at you. So you have better sound clarity when you hear voices from the television. Also, the TV is literally picture on glass. It's very thin. It's thinner than my finger, as you're going to see here. Now, the only thick part is at the bottom, and it's only like 2 to 3 inches thick at the bottom. This TV does have 4 HDMI cables as well as all the other standard connections. And here's the remote. It does have a dedicated Netflix and Amazon Prime Video button, which is nice if you're going to use the TV for streaming. Now, the LG has WebOS. Now, in my opinion, the WebOS is the best operating system I have ever used on any television. Very responsive. I've never had it crash or even get stuck. I have used other brands such as Sony and Samsung, and nothing can beat LG's WebOS. That's just my opinion. Also, what I do like about the OLED televisions is the black. Now, because the OLED has individual pixels that can turn on and off, you do get perfect black when it comes to dark scenes, or if you're watching the TV in a dark room, you don't get any ghosting. Now, this is what I mean by ghosting when you look at this picture really quick. This TV does not have any ghosting at all. Now, the setup for this TV is very easy, very fast. Make sure you do connect it to your Wi-Fi and update the firmware because you want to squash any bugs that the TV would have. I haven't run across any bugs, but it's always good to have the latest firmware. Now, you can use LG's App Store to download all the apps. Downloading them is very fast. Now, here's what I recommend you do if you get this television. Turn off the energy saving feature because the TV will automatically adjust the brightness based on the lighting in your room. It can get very annoying if you don't turn it off. Also, you want to turn the true motion setting to smooth, as you're going to see here. It will help your picture be smooth and not jittery. So that's just a little advice I wanted to give you. Now, here's what it looks like with the picture quality, and I haven't even changed any of the settings when I recorded this video. Look how clear it is. Look at all the colors. It's amazing. Now, we did decide to mount this television because we wanted to get it off of our stand, as you can see here. And look at it, it's so thin. Now, we have one that's on an articulating mount so that we can bring it outwards or inwards depending on where we're at in our room. And here's what the TV looks like when it's mounted on the wall. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Please hit that thumbs up if this video was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel as I do have more videos of just random things that we buy for our home. Thanks again for watching, and have a good one.